Today let's check out this JAP factory race engine with 2 of everything options. Well, welcome to Bader Classic Auctions. This motorcycle is ultra rare. As you can see, it has the 2 of everything. I think it's the KTOR engine, set up with a Norton gearbox and what looks to be a early 20s Harley Davidson front end and possibly front wheel setup for front brake. This has been in a private collection for many years. It has not been touched. And I went ahead and I looked for the engine numbers and I couldn't find any whatsoever, so they may be replacement cases, but again, this is a race engine. You can see it has the lifter plates, stoker plates, has the additional looks like about an inch more of the actual studs that come up, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I'm not an authority on these engines, so I could be saying something totally wrong here. But I do know that these engines are ultra rare, and that coming across one of these is, well, what can I say, one of the holy grails of early British race engines. They used these motors in the Brough Superiors back in the day. And I believe this one to have some race history, but I just cannot confirm and or deny it. Along with what you see here, we have a number of other items that go with the actual auction. Gas tank, seat, a couple of carburetors, a little P-pad. The underside of the gas tank is not there, so obviously it's going to need quite a bit of work. But the value is in the motor, more so than anything else that I have that goes with this bike. The bike is scheduled to go through our auction this coming January of 2022. And you can check it out at BaderClassicAuctions.com. And while you're on the website, make sure that you sign up to bid. And we'll have more information about this bike along with all the other items that we're going to be posting very shortly up on the website.